Hi friend, my name is Sketch. Welcome to our Built to a T Designer. Let's go over the tools we'll use and how we can color in our picture. The first tool you'll see is the paint bucket. This is what we'll use to color in our picture. To the right, you'll see our colors. Click on the color you like and click where you want to paint on the picture. Make sure to stay in between the lines like a real coloring page. If you want to undo or go back, click the blue arrow. To redo or go forward, click the green arrow. To zoom in, click the magnifying glass. Move the tab forward to zoom in, and the tab back to zoom out. Click the book to see all of our coloring pages. We're always adding more, so make sure to check back often. Click the right blue arrow to move forward, and the left arrow to move back. Click the red X to close. The blue down arrow lets you download your picture and save it. You can email us a picture or upload to social media and tag us with the hashtag #IMadeThisKid. But always ask the parent first. The printer icon lets you print a blank coloring page to color with coloring pencils, crayons, markers, or more. You can even print your finished picture to hang on your fridge or take a picture, scan, and send for your custom t-shirt. If you scroll down, you can click on the plus button to create your own custom color if you don't see it here. Slide the sliders up and down. Click select and use your new custom color to paint your picture. Alright, now you know how to use our Built to a T Designer. We can't wait to see what you create next. See you later!